Hello and welcome to the Trans Mountain Expansion Project Overview. My name is Lisette Parsons-Bell and I'm the lead for the Stakeholder Engagement and Communications team for the Trans Mountain Expansion Project. For the past 4 years, we've been engaging on our plans for expanding our existing Trans Mountain pipeline system. We have gathered input from Aboriginal communities, neighbours, local governments, landowners and others interested in our project. We have considered this feedback as we have developed our proposed project, and we've adjusted our plans accordingly. Our engagement will continue throughout construction and operations. With this online presentation, we want to provide you with an update on where we are at in our plans for the expansion project. There is also more information available on our website. After you have reviewed this presentation, please provide your feedback. We are currently collecting information on how you want to learn about new project information as it becomes available, how you want to be informed about construction activities should the project proceed. The information we gather will be considered in our construction plans, and we welcome your input. You can provide the input at www.transmountain.com/talk. We understand that operating and building pipeline infrastructure affects many along the route and the marine corridor. We respect our neighbours and the communities where we operate currently today, and we are here for open and meaningful dialogue. Throughout the proposed project development, we've aimed to reduce the impact by using our existing footprint where practical, minimizing impact on landowners, public and Aboriginal communities, seeking and incorporating input where practical, minimizing the impact on the environment, and minimizing constraints on municipal infrastructure. So the proposed expansion project. This is a map of the expansion project in our existing system. This map shows the existing pipeline in black. We've been in operation since 1953, and our system is between Strathcona County in Alberta and Burnaby in British Columbia. We supply most of the local fuel markets, as well as Washington State refineries and our Westridge Marine Terminal, where we load ships with crude oil for markets overseas. The last time we expanded our pipeline system, it was completed in 2009, and that's shown in the green. We did 160 kilometers through Jasper and Mount Robson parks, and we were awarded an environmental award for this work. The proposed Trans Mountain Expansion project is in orange on the map. The expansion will twin the existing pipeline, which means it will lay another pipe beside the existing in the same right-of-way where practical. The capital cost is approximately $6.8 billion, and we're going to triple the capacity of the existing pipeline with the expansion project. This will result in approximately 980 kilometers of new pipe, 12 new pump stations, 19 new tanks, and space for up to the size of an Aframax vessel at Westridge Marine Terminal. So what's our project schedule? We announced the expansion project in the spring of 2012, and we began our field studies, our environmental studies, and we began to engage with First Nations and stakeholders and engaging with landowners along the pipeline route. We filed a facilities application to the National Energy Board in December of 2013. This initiated a regulatory review process, one of the most robust review processes ever undertaken by the National Energy Board. There was over 1,600 qualified participants and over 17,000 questions that we responded to. On May 19th of 2016, the NEB recommended to the federal government to approve the project, indicating that the project was in the interest of all Canadians. In January of 2016, the federal government made an announcement of their 5 principles, and part of that meant they were going to undertake an engagement process through June to October of 2016. A 3-member panel has been announced and is going to be undertaking this engagement during this time frame. In December 2016, the federal government will make their decision on the proposed expansion project. And should the expansion project be approved, construction is slated to begin in September of 2017, with an in-service date anticipated of December 2019. Engagement will continue throughout all phases of the project. So what's the next steps for us? Our ongoing dialogue assists us in gaining an understanding of and addressing specific questions and concerns regarding pipeline and associated facilities during construction and operations. Engagement will continue through 2016 through a number of channels. In the summer, we'll do updates on routing and the design refinements of our facilities and the pipeline, and also the routing. In the fall, we'll do updates on the terminals and the pipeline construction plans and jobs and procurement information. For information on our engagement opportunities, please visit our website at www.transmountain.com, and you can always provide your feedback to us through www.transmountain.com/talk. Thank you for participating and watching this webinar. Please provide us with your feedback. We're committed to continuing to provide information as it becomes available, so continue to watch our website and sign up for updates, and please provide your feedback at www.transmountain.com/talk.